Man, we've seen some pretty freaking cool shit today. August 28th. Large variety of stuff going on today. We're here in the Corbin area, and we're headed that way today because we're going west towards Fernie. Got a little bit of water in my boot. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, the neighborhood, the neighborhood, a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Just on a little tour in the mountains. And there we go. That's what we're in. A lot of logging in here. But you know, without the logging, we wouldn't have the ATV trails. Surprising how smooth these bikes are for how rough this road is, eh?
Yeah.
Wow, it's pretty in here, eh?
Yeah.
They haven't logged it yet. Oh, a lot cooler too.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a serious drop in elevation here. My ears are popping.
Look at this drop off here.
Oh, that's a nice view that way. This is nice. Man, this is going down, down, down. It's going to go right to the bottom of the frickin' valley, eh?
Yeah.
There might be a nice campsite down here. There should be a creek, right? Man, look at it. These are some big trees in here, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at their tagged. This is getting logged next.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
There we go. There's a view. That's another thing the loggers do, eh? They kind of open up the view for you.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a cow. Ah.
Wow.
Wait, what's that?
That's the road down there. Maybe it's a camping site.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, look at this. Little campsite right here. Maybe there's some waterfalls down here or something. Man, that creek is dropping fast. Holy. I don't know, this seems to be going up now.
So what the hell this is? Maybe a hunting spot? Camping spot?
I have no idea. Here's where the creek, here's where it ends right here. There's a spot right by the creek here. Look at, there's a trail coming in from the other side. The guy could make a bridge, it's already started. Hey, hang on, Timmer, hang on. Seeing a little path going down here. I just want to have a look. Looks like some massive boulders down here. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, this is cool. There's some waterfalls here, Tim.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this, buddy. There's little pools. This is nice. I wonder how deep that is. I can't see any rocks. There's a beautiful flat rock here for jumping off of. This all looks deep right here, eh?
Yeah.
I don't know if I'd want to go in there, that'd be cold. But somebody's built up.
They've dammed it. So
yeah,
cool.
Rocks up there so that it filled up here more. This is a beautiful little area, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
Should have got one. I gotta get one of you too, though.
Yeah, it doesn't look like much from up here on the bridge.
Well, I'm glad we went down there, man.
Yeah.
That's a cool spot. Matheson. Yeah, this is it. Getting kind of cool up here, right?
Yeah. Little temperature change.
Yeah.
In the shade.
Shade and altitude. Oh, there's a pretty creek down there, bud.
It's a cliff.
Oh man, it is just right down, straight down. There's a canyon down there. It's a big gorge.
Yeah.
Hang on.
Yeah.
Hang on, I'm gonna back up. Oh, here's a good spot. Oh, that's nice down there. That is a deep gorge. That's just going straight down. I can see that green Q on your back from a mile away. Whoa, 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 whoa. There was a cool spot right down here. Is there a way to get to it from up here? Right here's a path here. I just want to go down here and take a look. I thought I saw some waterfalls again, but this has got to be a fall. That looks like it goes right down.
It would have to be a huge drop somewhere because that valley went down really quick.
Yeah. Well, it looks like it's right here, bud. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, here it is. I'm not quite there yet. And there's probably a path on the road going down right over there.
Yeah.
Here it is. Here's the waterfall. Oh, there's a path coming in over there. Look at that. It goes right down. Man, we got to go back there and get a picture. Hey, look at this. In this big rock, granite rock, there's a round
Shell?
I don't know what that is. Yeah, look at that. That's a big drop. That is beautiful. Hey, how's it going, Timmer? All right, thumbs up on this one, eh?
Yeah. Oh, you got a view here, though, anyway.
Is she pretty steep?
Yep.
But it's a good view.
Oh, what a view.
Oh my God. Look at that. Wow. Oh my God, Timmer. This is unreal. How do you like quadding in the mountains so far?
Yeah, it's great.
Isn't that something? Look at the green moss growing there.
This looks like it should be in Hawaii.
I know, I was to say, it looks tropical. Look at the beautiful fern here. Wow. All right, Timmer. Oh, wow. Wow. Probably be easier going up, eh?
Yeah.
I'll leave this in the video so Denise can see what I went through. Hello. Good, how are you? Come here, guys. Come here. You're okay. You're okay.
Oh, you're a cutie. Hey,
yeah.
Hi. Hi.
Brownie points from the wives, eh? They love the rock. He's young, eh? Too much. Hey, what you doing? Oh, you are so cute. You are so cute. Yes. You're okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
He's cute.
He looks part wolf.
He is.
He is.
Oh, nice meeting you guys. Thanks.
Yeah. Take care.
Oh, that seat's hot.
Yeah. It is. So that just must go to some logging up there.
Yeah.
There's the tower up there, it looks like.
Oh, man.
Oh yeah, you can see them. Look at it. There's a whole bunch up there. There's a trail going up there. I mean, you know, look at this, buddy.
Yeah, I know.
Look at this. Holy frick.
It's a little steep off the other side.
Yeah. Yeah. Watch where you're driving. we're gonna get a good view from up there. This is pretty steep too, eh?
Yeah.
I'm thinking it's probably hard to tell on camera, but oh, buddy, look at this. Oh, yes. There's Fernie down there. Oh, man.
Wow.
This is why I love quadding in the mountains. And you can get some views.
There's the peak on both sides.
Yeah, you're right at the top of the mountain looking down both sides, you know, really. Look at this. Holy frick. This is awesome. I don't know if in the camera if you can see that, but that's Fernie down there. Yeah, that's the Fernie ski hill. Yeah, over there. So north would be like this way. Wow. Nice at the top. You can look down both sides, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're on the top of a mountain. Oh, this is unreal. Holy, oh my God. Holy shit. Oh. Holy. So this is the number 3 highway. And that's kind of heading in a southwesterly direction, mostly south. Yeah, I think that was a good shot. Well, we should get out of here, I guess. Because this all looks like weather station, doesn't it? I just got a quick question for you. The big dildo, what is that, radar?
That's a missile. Nuclear bomb.
I love it.
I don't know, that's something about forestry. No idea.
Oh, okay. I thought maybe it was like for weather, radar or something.
Could be. I have no idea.
All right, have a good day. That is quite the... Is that an old building or what is that down there?
That is where guys used to run off and do hang gliding. They probably do it right here.
No way. Oh yeah. Oh, this, yeah, they probably do it off this. So you got a hang glider, you're running, and then you just basically jump off the cliff.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. No way. No, not a chance from this guy. I'd shit myself. I'd totally shit myself. Wow. Yeah, we're up a ways here, eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, we're going to go to another lookout now, a little north of here. See what we can find there. That is straight down there, eh? Holy shit, brother.
Yeah.
Stay away from that edge. Look at this guy. Holy man, he is crazy. He's in good shape.
Oh, crap.
He's biking up this thing? Holy man, you guys on watching this video, you have no idea how steep this guy is. He's working. Look at how slow he's going.
Wow.
That is awesome, buddy.
It's not feeling so awesome right now.
You okay to be on YouTube?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you're going to be on it. That is awesome.
Training for the Ironman or something? Oh, shit.
What did he say?
It's up for me, right?
Oh, that is awesome. No way.
Holy shit. I wonder what gear that is.
Oh, it's got to be pretty low, eh? Like first or second.
That's got to be a different than a normal gear race. You couldn't go up there even in a first gear on my bike.
No, you'd be dying.
No.
Like, this is rank. He can't believe this guy, he's biking just up for a day of biking. No way. That is too funny.
I wouldn't even walk up this.
No way. Okay, so this is our other lookout here. It's not a communications tower or anything, but there's a spot here I found that, see, there was remember when we were coming up, I said, I bet you that goes up to our other trail. And that road there, if we take that, that'll go back down to our other road, main road. So, before I squirreled out on that trail there, what was I saying? I found this on Google Earth, just looking for trails, and it looks like there's a lookout at the end of this road here, so that's why Timmer and I are going up there to check it out. Got a little avalanche action here. Should probably keep going. This probably isn't a real safe place to ride. Okay, my apologies. Tim and I stopped to change the battery, and then we started eating some lunch, and I didn't put the camera on for you guys, so I'm sorry. It's all Tim's fault. We'll blame it on him. But look at this, eh? Right up there. That's the tower. We were up on the top of that mountain. Now, this bowl here, we're thinking goes, we can see some road over there. Looks like it's going down, and we're hoping that it'll connect up to that main road we were on that heads towards Fernie, and then we'll just go back that way. But if it doesn't, we'll come back up the mountain, and we crossed right in there. All right, away we go. You good?
Yep.
Yeah, this is the spot. It had a little bit of a T section here. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, geez, look at that, eh? That's a good view.
Look at the rock mountains over there.
Man, that's a big bugger way up there, eh?
Yeah.
Wow, that is freaking cool. What else we got over here?
There's that road down there.
Yeah, let's go down that road. What the hell? Let's check it out. Left turn, Clyde.
Yeah.
Hey, there's Timmer! Hey, Timmer!
Hey!
Woohoo! Oh yeah, here we go. And the road continues.
Huh. It looks like a cattle blockade down at the bottom there.
It looks like a cattle blockade right here.
She winked at me.
Did she?
Yeah.
It's probably because you're so well endowed.
Yeah. Are they listening to you?
Yep. It's still going. It goes down through the trees here. Oh, no. No, that's it.
Really?
Oh, no. Yeah, that's it.
Shoot.
Bummer. And look at on the map how close we are. Yeah, why wouldn't they just go right down the valley to that main road? Okay, let's go back the way we came through the cow shit. There we go. Back up the mountain.
Beside you, just in case you start a rock slide. Your motor might cause something to let go, and then I'd be buried.
Oh, yeah, because my big, powerful Honda engine.
Yeah.
I love it. Timmer with his Polaris tires on his Honda. What kind of a freaking Honda guy would do something like that, eh?
Guy who told him to do it.
I'd do it, yeah. We're going to take this shortcut hopefully it's drivable all the way.
Okay.
I just thought it looked cool. Cool. So do you think we should keep going up here? Oh, look at that road. Goes all the way up there.
Huh.
This is probably it. Does it go over the top? Let's go find out.
Okay.
I'm going into low range. I think there's a cat up here working this thing today.
Oh, it goes up there.
This one?
Still going up that way.
I know, this is rougher than
Yeah.
It goes that way too. It's a brand new road. I don't want to drive on this. Those other two on the other side of the valley look better. Now, there's a truck coming up here. It's that same guy. I gotta pull over for him.
Maybe he's the guy filling the cat.
Good! So did you make to get your truck down?
Yeah. Or better yet, I'll turn around and you guys can sit me up to that hole quick, if you didn't mind.
Sure, I'll take you up there.
You don't mind? Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay, thanks. Appreciate it a lot.
Yeah, I can only imagine that you have to hike all the way up or down. It's not that far a quad, but to hike it. Oh my God! So basically, they want him to drop his truck off at the bottom of the hill and walk all the way up to the top to get the dozer.
Wow.
That's crazy. Put it in your pocket.
No.
It's my good deed for the day.
All right.
You're on quadding Seuss.
I really appreciate it.
And on my channel, I can't be seen to taking money from you. So it's got lots of torque.
Yeah, I've been riding Hondas my whole life, man.
Yeah, same here.
That one quad I'm telling you about got like 14,000 kilometers on it.
Oh wow.
Still good.
Yeah.
I've done nothing but oil change.
You good?
Honestly, I work up here 90% by myself, so if somebody comes around for a minute, have to show them and don't bother.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, good, fair enough, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
man, you guys saved me a long walk, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, no shit, yeah.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Bobby.
Bobby?
Bobby Benson, yeah.
Benson?
Yeah.
And you're in Cranbrook.
Yeah.
Bobby Benson.
Bobby Benson.
Well, you're on quadding Seuss, so just type in that much.
Okay.
Quad with the double D.
Yeah.
And okay, let's get out of here. He doesn't even need a road, eh?
No.
And his buddy with those videos that kid makes, man, those are some high quality videos.
Yeah, they look pretty good.
Yeah, he needs to get those out somehow. Okay, so there's the other one that I saw that was going up higher. I thought that's the one I thought went through a bit of a gap there. That might go up there, but we'll just keep going on this one and see where it goes. That's pretty steep.
Yeah. Pretty good road. Somebody's been up there too.
Oh yeah, this is smooth. Woo-hoo-hoo, that's steep. Somebody drove their truck up here. That's pretty steep for a truck. No, I think this is the end of the road here. It'll only go so far. Might as well turn around now. Oh well. It was a frickin' great day, man. That waterfall.
Yeah.
And the view from the top of that mountain.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, buddy, this is sweet. Look at this.
Is that the road we went on up to that tower?
Yeah, that's it over there.
Wow.
For all the folks in YouTube land, see where my finger's pointing, and then the road goes up like that, and at the very top of that hill, there's a tower up there up against the clouds. There's a couple towers up there. You can see them. If you can see them. Pretty cool, pretty cool.
See that sign, sheer drop off side of the road?
Yeah. It's straight down, isn't it?
Yeah.
I know. When we were coming up here, I thought, holy crap. This is a nice drive down in here, eh?
Yeah.
Man, that waterfall, that was amazing, eh?
Yeah.
No, the first one we found was really nice, and then we find this one like, holy.
Yeah.
It was a waterfall kind of day, Timmer.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wish they had a throttle on both sides and you could take a break with one hand.
Yeah. That would be good.
Or cruise control.
Yeah.
Like Taco, eh? It tells me to put a rubber band on it.
Okay. Pretty in here.
It is, yeah. Oh, Timmer, those cold beer are gonna taste good.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that air is so nice and cool. It's a hot day in August. Man, it was pretty warm today. It must have been close to 30, I bet.
Forecasted for 27.
So that's around the 90-ish area for all the folks down in the US of A, the US of A. Well, enough gawking. Pick up a little bit of speed here. Watch this. Yeah. 103 kilometers today, buddy.
Wow.
It's 6 o'clock. Here we are, back at the camp.
Thanks for watching, folks.
Biddy, biddy, biddy.
Bitty, 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 bitty.
That's all, folks. Oh, cool. Cold beer, cold beer.